Replacing the half shafts in my C4 Vet U-joints. You can see the wear on the needle bearings. A few flat spots. There's a clip there and a clip there. Just popping them out with a pair of pliers. Got it in a vise, just spaced open to ride right on here. And 33 mil axle nut. And a big hammer. Coming out. There it's out. Got the other side of the hammer out. There it is. Oh. These are the U-joints I'm going to be replacing it with. They're greasable U-joint. I'll do that a little later. Pretty easy. A pair of pliers. Axle nut or a socket big enough to hammer the cap through, and a Coors Light. No Mountain Dew for this guy. Installing the new U-joint. I'm just cleaning it up with some sandpaper, 220 grit, some of the crud over there. There's a few burrs, mostly on the back side. Just make sure to get them out. There's a ring in there where that snap clip rides. You just got to clean that out a bit. Make sure there's no dirt or nothing in there so that the snap ring seats. This is the U-joint with the greasable U-joint. I'm just going to put the grease nipple out this way so it's accessible. Pop off a cap. The needle bearings, make sure they stay in place. Slide that in there. Just using my vise. I'm gonna get it started. Got it half started. To make sure I put this one in with the needles in place. Slide the U-joint into it. try anyway. Okay, like I said, watch the needle bearings. Back at it now. I had one fall over that was messing me around. So I pressed this side in to almost flush. That seemed to work better. Gonna slide this one in. Make sure all the needles are in place. There it goes. Feels pretty good. Just gonna squeeze it in with the vise. Well, the needles are lined up. I got a 11/16 socket. I'm just gonna press it in a little more so I get that snap ring on. It's just so it sits on there, pressing good surface. See it? Ready for the snap ring. Snap ring installed. Then I can press this one up to that snap ring. A little more. There you go. New U-joint.